was a cold winter morning when Michael and Sophia decided to adopt a child. The couple had thought about it for a long time and agreed that they were ready to expand their family. Sophia, who worked as a teacher, loved children and always wanted to be a mother. Michael, who was an architect, had also prepared well and read various books about adoption. Although they were both a little nervous, they were more excited about the new life that awaited them. They began the process by visiting a local adoption center. There, they met a friendly counselor who explained everything about the adoption process. The counselor told them that it was important to be patient because the process could take some time. Michael and Sophia were willing to be patient because they knew it would be worth it. A few months later, they received a call from the adoption center. A little girl named Clara was waiting for a new family. Clara was left without parents because they died in a tragic accident. Michael and Sophia were immediately excited about the idea of getting to know Clara. They visited the center again to meet Clara. The little girl was shy, but she seemed friendly and curious. Sophia took Clara's little hand and immediately felt a connection. Michael smiled at Clara and promised that they would have many adventures together. After visiting Clara several times, Michael and Sophia decided that they were the right family for the girl. They were excited to bring Clara into their home and provide her with a loving environment. On the day of the adoption, the weather was sunny and clear, which was considered a good omen. Clara was excited but also a little anxious about moving into her new home. Sophia and Michael had lovingly decorated their room with colorful pictures and a cozy bed. Clara was excited when she saw her new room and immediately started unpacking her toys. In the following weeks, Clara gradually got used to her new life. Although it was a big change, she felt safe and secure with Michael and Sophia. Michael showed Clara how to fly a kite, and they laughed a lot together. Sophia read Clara a story every night before she went to bed. Clara quickly learned that she was surrounded by love and support. Although she missed her biological parents, Clara was happy to have found a new family. Michael and Sophia also felt blessed to have Clara in their lives. They knew that together they would build a wonderful future. This time was a special journey for all of them, which became more beautiful with each passing day. Clara was not only a new member of the family, but also a source of endless happiness.